I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to use water lock on the Fitbit Charge 5, and this also works on the Fitbit Luxe. So water lock is a feature that prevents water getting on the screen from basically activating the touch screen and messing with your Fitbit. And it's great if you're going to shower with the device, you're going to take a bath with it, or take it in the pool. It is waterproof, so you can do all those things. We're going to activate water lock by just tapping on the screen and then swiping down. We're going to go up until we get to the water lock feature here. We're going to say turn on. So now it's going to say to lock, firmly double tap. You have to be quite firm about it, and you might have to do it a couple of times. I tend to just sort of mash the screen like that until it's locked. The reason is that it's actually deactivating the touchscreen completely when you switch that on. The idea is that it's actually using the accelerometer in the device to switch the screen on and off. And that way, even if water gets on there, this gets dirty or gets touched by something while you're bathing, then it's not going to be a problem for the screen. It's not going to disrupt your use of the Fitbit. Now, to switch it back off, we're going to also firmly double tap. And you can see it'll say to unlock, firmly double tap the screen. And you do have to be fairly firm about it. And again, I tend to do it a couple of times until it says unlocked, and then our screen will come back on, and we are good to go. This is now a touch screen again. So really great feature. Again, if you're going to swim with it, if you're going to bathe with it, take a shower with it, just go up, switch that water lock on, and you can go ahead and get water on the screen without having to worry that it's going to inadvertently press your buttons or activate a timer or do anything to mess up your Fitbit settings. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.